Mastering answers to negative questions in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're focusing on a fascinating topic: answering negative questions, specifically answering with long answers. This might seem a bit tricky at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. First off, what are negative questions? In English, we form negative questions by inserting not into the question. These questions often begin with do not, does not, did not, is not, are not, and so on, abbreviated as don't, doesn't, didn't, isn't, aren't, etc. Examples: isn't it cold outside? Don't you like pizza? When responding to negative questions, long answers provide clarity and avoid misunderstanding. A long answer is essentially a full sentence that doesn't solely rely on yes or no, but includes additional information or explanation. In the case of negative questions, here's how to formulate long answers. 1. Affirmative response. Start with yes, then restate the question in a positive statement. 2. Example: isn't it cold outside? Answer: yes, it is cold outside. 3. Example: don't you like pizza? Answer: yes, I do like pizza. 4. Negative response. Start with no, then restate the question in a negative statement. 5. Example: isn't it cold outside? Answer: no, it isn't cold outside. 6. Example: don't you like pizza? Answer: no, I don't like pizza. Why should we bother with long answers? 2 main reasons. 1. Clarity. Negative questions can be a bit confusing. Long answers provide a clear affirmation or denial of the question. 2. Natural conversation. Long answers sound more natural and conversational. They can lead to more discussion and show that you understand the language beyond simple yes or no responses. That's all for today's lesson on answering negative questions with long answers. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these structures in your everyday English conversations. You'll soon find it becomes second nature. As always, I hope this lesson was helpful, and until next time, keep practicing and keep improving.